What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman. Today we're going to be installing this out there and back mount for the Ford Ranger, and this is for my GME handheld radio. So the mobile UHF mount bracket, it's only $49 from out there and back. So they're pretty easy to install and it should only take me about 3 minutes to put this in. So the GME radio comes with the magnetic mount, and it's just going to come onto here, and I'll just screw it in and then we're ready to mount it. Alright, so we're ready to install it. I put in the mount, and all you need is either a trim remover. I'm just using these and this to remove the trim, which is going to be here. It's going to go under here and under here, and you also just need a 7mm socket. So now we're going to remove the vent, and it's pretty easy. There's a few clips in there, but we'll manage to get it out. You just have to use a lot of pressure in it. And just make sure you put back these clips when you put it back in. Just remove the vent like that. Make sure you don't lose this clip here. So the clip goes back here. And we'll put it back later. So pretty much that's the screw that we got to remove. Just there. And let me just lock it up. Alright, so we got the screw removed, and we'll put in the mount. You just make sure you clip the mount in, and then you put in the screw. Make sure you tighten it up. And that's how you install it, guys. It's pretty simple and very easy. Now I'm just going to put back the vent, and it should be pretty easy to put it back.
Driving mode to start recording. Safe driving.
There you have it, guys. It's fully secured and it won't even move. So this accessory is from Out There and Back. If you want to grab it, check out their website, and they're pretty good. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to 4x4 Jumpman, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.